What's going on, guys? Welcome back to All Things Bearded, where we talk about all things bearded. We're talking Taproot from Honyocker today. There's all those buttons down below, like, subscribes, hit whatever you want to. I appreciate the support. I'm kicking this video off with a giveaway. If you want to win a beard oil of Taproot from Honyocker, all you have to do down below in the comment section, only put your Instagram handle in a comment. I'll randomly pick one in 1 week and reach out to you through Instagram. Make sure you're following us on Instagram at allthings.bearded so you see the message. You will win that beard oil and be happy as can be. I guarantee you that much. Let's go ahead and kick off this review. So we're doing Taproot today because on my Instagram, I did a poll. I let my followers decide between this scent profile and another one, which one I did a review on first, and Taproot won. Now, when you order a beard oil from Honyocker, it's gonna come in a 1 ounce green bottle with the standard dropper top on it. It's gonna retail for $16.50. You can actually use our promo code ATB15. It's gonna save you 15% off of your order. I stand by this right now. If you love masculine scents, you're gonna love Honyocker. It is easily a top 5 company for me personally. From the products to the ownership, it just all works, and it's A+ in my book. So last year I reviewed Witch's Breath. I'll tag that up above. Now in that video I covered all the care oils and the information as far as that is concerned. Just know Feelin' Beard is phenomenal. The oil has a light to medium tint. My beard loves sucking this beard oil up as soon as I put it in the morning. And your viscosity is gonna be on that happy medium side between medium and thick. So if you are going for a thicker oil, I would highly suggest you look at Honyocker. So Taproot is a scent profile of amber oud, cedarwood, and black pepper. When I smell this scent profile, I really do get the amber and oud right up front, giving it that sweet, earthy cologne scent. And then I get the cedarwood and the black pepper right at the end to give it more of that earthy tone. It's really well balanced, really well rounded. It's a masculine, deep, earthy cologne scent, and it's something that you could really put in no matter where you're at and really enjoy it. For me personally, Taproot is a home run. So scent strength, I'm putting this at a medium. As far as scent duration is concerned, oil only, I got within that 6 to 8 hour range. Now stacking the butter on top of it, that's when you really get into that 10, 12, even a 14-hour range. Regardless of how you apply this, oil or with butter, it's gonna be a phenomenal scent profile that you're really gonna enjoy, and that's all that matters. Now talking beard butter in Honyocker, this is gonna run you $16.50. It's gonna come in a 2 ounce black tin. It's gonna have all of your ingredients on the back side of it. It's gonna have added ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax. For me personally, I wear this one more in the daytime with that beeswax, just for a little bit of a styling hold. Not enough that it's really gonna make a huge difference. It's just a personal preference as far as I'm concerned, but it emulsifies fantastic in your hands, gives your beard that really great deep conditioning that you're looking for. So overall, with beard butter and Honyocker, you really can't go wrong. So like I said, this is easily a top 5 company for me personally. I love Honyocker. I love spending my money on Honyocker. I love supporting Adam and this brand. I highly suggest that you look into this company if you haven't already. That's it for today's episode. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.